the process of bhakti, the ongoing evolution of bhakti is based on the ever increasing and continual development and increasing of one's faith and then their surrender. Sharanagati. Sharanagati and Shraddha. This is bhakti. When faith goes down, then seva goes down, then surrender goes down. Oh, I lost, like someone said, oh, I stopped practicing. Why? Oh, I lost my faith in my guru, or I lost faith in Krishna. He's not nice. He's not nice to me. He was nice to me. Now he's not nice to me. Krishna's not good. So the faith is increased by sadhu sangha. Say, oh look, this person has so much faith, and they're so surrendered, and they make it look so easy. But it's not so easy. It's easy at a certain point. After nishta, when one attains nishta and beyond, then it becomes somewhat, quote unquote, easy. The difficulty is to somehow make it that far. One great sadhu, he said that most sadhakas, if they're practicing, and he didn't say how many, but he said most sadhakas will spend their whole life in sadhana, they will spend struggling with anartha nivritti, aparad. We heard this statement 40 years ago. 40 years ago we heard this. It's 43 years we're practicing in this lifetime. Well, 40 years ago we heard this. Most sadhakas, devotees, will spend their whole life struggling with aparad. So I was new devotee, only a couple of years practicing in this lifetime, Bhakti Bhajan. I thought, oh, process is so powerful, chanting Hare Krishna is so powerful, and all these 5 limbs of bhakti, Pancharanga Bhakti, are so powerful. Dham Vas, Nam Sankirtan, Thakurji Seva, Bhagavat Shravan, and chanting the holy name, Sadhu Sangha. How is it possible? And then 10 years went by, then 20, then 30, then 43, and I saw and I know so many devotees from 30 years and 40 years, and this is exactly correct what Sadhu said. Even after 30 years and 40 years, they're still struggling with aparad. That's in this life. How many lifetimes? So, nishcha comes after aparad stop. Anarthas may be there. Anartha goes all the way to prem, to gandha, anartha gandha. The fragrance of unwanted things. Not the sanskara, not the bijam. To engage with the fragrance, the idea, conception.